Hello, my friends. So we made some nice chicken soup here, or turkey. In this case, it's turkey. We got a whole skinless, boneless turkey breast from Costco. It's all frozen, fully cooked. We just put it in the Instant Pot, defrosted it, got all the juices out of there, just poured it in here. Added some frozen mixed vegetables, sliced up some onions, some garlic, cilantro, mushrooms, sage, and rosemary, some black pepper, and some salt. And we're just letting that simmer, and it tastes amazing, smells amazing, and you know, chicken soup's supposed to be really good for you. Turkey soup times 2. So super easy to make, guys. You can just throw it in there, and pretty simple and healthy meal for you, especially in this flu season. It's actually supposed to have some healing powers that just isn't mythological. So you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this quick video, and we'll see you next time.